Hi friends, it's Liz here. Today I thought I would show you the latest Somerset Studio magazine issue. It is the most recent one that I have, so I'm not really sure what issue this is. But I usually like to show you what is in the issue, and many of you say that this helps you decide if you want to purchase that issue or not. I'm really liking this issue. It has a lot of great ideas, I think, for us junk journal makers and paper crafters, of course. So I'm just going to take you through it, and hopefully you'll enjoy. I do have other videos on my channel showing you different magazine flip throughs. If you want to see those, I will link those below as well. I have a playlist for that. Love, love, love that page. And this one here. I'm slowly trying to get myself more into mixed media as well. I just find that, there's just so many different things I get into, and I end up sort of putting one project on hold and starting another one when I get inspired. So this issue definitely has inspired some new ideas. And if you saw my glue book last time, we actually made a glue book, and I showed you how quickly you can make one with lots of repurposed materials. I used some of the images from a previous Somerset Studio magazine in that glue book because I love them, and I cut them out. Like, look at this one here. All these images are made out of paper that has been ripped up and made an image out of. Like, I think that's just beautiful. So anyway, stuff like that really inspires me, and I end up cutting out the piece from my magazine and then adding it somewhere where I could see it again. It can remind me of, that inspiration. Like this one also, I love all the colors on that page. So I'm not sure if you have seen this magazine before or if you purchase it. I know it's a bit expensive, but sometimes I treat myself to these when I find them, because I do go through them and see if something inspires me. Usually if it's more than a couple of items that inspire me, I end up buying the magazine. So this one I did purchase. It was not given to me, or I'm being sponsored or anything like that by this magazine. So I thought I would show you a quick flip through of that. So as I said, I was trying to get into mixed media a little here and there, and I've done it before. I find that there's a lot of setup that needs to go in for that, like all your different tools that you would need for that. So maybe that's something that I have to look into in my new crafty space. I love this happy mail piece because that's something that we certainly do. I've got some packages actually that I'm getting ready to send out, so it's kind of nice to look at different ways to decorate those envelopes. And this is a really nice article as well. I love all the images of that junk journal. And then of course all the artist pages. I really, really love those. Like I said, I sometimes use them up, but most of the time I look at them for inspiration with colors and design. I find that that is just so nice to have on hand, just like having an art book, that sort of thing. Now these images with the coloring black and white photos, my sister actually has started doing that on an app, and it's so amazing how you can actually see the skin tone and the color of the hair and everything, how the app changes that. So I thought that was the coolest thing I have seen so far, is how they are kind of making vintage photos, those black and white photos we all have, and they're you load them up to the app and it gives you like the color version, which is amazing, I think. Anyways, I just love seeing all the pictures that she's sending and just how different everyone looks based on the way the app kind of colors everything in. So the last few pages are usually just little snippets of the work that people have submitted that made it into the back of the magazine. And I really love this junk journal also made out of the book pages, because I've been working a lot with book pages. If you haven't seen those videos, check them out. I have many ideas on how you can make different things with book pages, and I love that. So I might just start another journal with them as well. So we're coming to the end, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this issue. Let me know what other magazines you might want to see. If I find them, I can kind of do a flip through for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.